Oh wow, that's real.
Yeah.
That is.
Sour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is dope.
And then woke up the next morning. Had tingling in my hand and my fingers, and it wasn't normal. And I'd had previous injuries on my spine. So I talked to my wife. And it was late. It was real late, probably like 6, 7 o'clock at night. And I called the My name is Chris. I was driving home from work on 635, and I was minding my business, and somebody rear-ended me. It was just the beginning of a bad day, or the end of a bad day. So the accident happened, nothing big. It was just a fender bender. Made it home, everything was good. Talking to my wife, I was like a little sore, and just kicked back. And then I woke up the next morning. Had tingling in my hand and my fingers, and it wasn't normal. And I'd had previous injuries on my spine. So I talked to my wife. It was late, and it was real late, probably like 6, 7 o'clock at night. And I called the Josh Alexander's group, and it was within minutes, like hours, that they called back, and everything since then has been easy. All I had to do is do what they told me to do and go seek the help that I needed to get. They didn't limit me to anything, and I'm much better now. People here have been absolutely fantastic. There hasn't been a situation where I was like, I don't know what's going on. There hasn't been a situation where I can't get a hold of somebody. It has been a light and like a totally different experience for me.
Yeah.
Becoming fit.
It's way more.
Yeah.
I appreciate it.
I was in an accident before, and I used another firm, and it's a night and day difference with their firm and this firm. I, Chris, recommend J. Alexander.